INTZ stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First thing that I want to mention with Intrusion stock is that it's sitting at $2.25 and it's a 1% down for today. Generally speaking, I'm looking to take things up. It's not going to be mere like a randomly buying or anything. No, we're still in the no man's land. I've documented my journey over the last 4 years after spending thousands on courses and mentors, and documented everything. I've done 35,000 videos, by the way. Everything was documented. Showed through a lot of trial and error, but I've seen what has worked for me, what has not. This has been my very unusual approach to the markets, but it's been tested, you know, and I myself am only going to pull the trigger on this long if the price actually starts breaking with a full candle above 356. And if you break these low first, then it's going to be a bearish market. Therefore, I'm not going to immediately short because it's not great timing for short, but because it's a demand area, I'm looking for long. So I'm most definitely going to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.